Day 6 in a 30-day challenge to craft creative Photoshop manipulations with a lofty goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers. A journey that began on a blank canvas with 0 followers, 0 likes. But no, the spirit isn't daunted, it's fueled, ready to unleash creativity like never before. Today, we delve into the artistic labyrinth of Photoshop, where pixels dance to the tune of imagination. It's a world where reality bends, where the ordinary morphs into the extraordinary. A realm where every click, every drag, every adjustment breathes life into a static image. This is day 6, a fresh day, a fresh manipulation. The canvas awaits, ready to be painted with digital strokes of creativity. It's a testament to the power of perseverance, the art of pixel manipulation, and the sheer beauty of what can be achieved when creativity is set free. So here's to the journey, the process, the growth. Day 6 in the pursuit of 10,000. The journey is long, but the spirit remains undaunted, the creativity untamed. Join me as we continue to redefine the boundaries of digital artistry, one manipulation at a time.